Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Fallout 76 error code 3:0:562994995342137. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to sign in to Fallout 76. Many reported that since the last update, they have been unable to log in most of the time and consistently receive this error. According to our research, the error is likely caused by network configuration issues, DNS settings, or conflicts with the way the game handles login attempts after the latest update. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your console and check if you need to update the game. Install any updates if available, then try logging in again. If the error still comes, try changing your connection setup. Simply switch from wired to wireless. Then update your DNS settings to Google's DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. You can also go into your router settings and port forward the required ports for Fallout 76 and PlayStation. After making these changes, restart your system and check for the error again. If the error persists, try starting Fallout 76 and attempting to sign in. When the login process begins, press the PS button and boot up another game without closing Fallout 76 manually. Let the second game load for a bit, then return to Fallout 76. Allow the system to close it automatically, then reload the game and try signing in again. That's all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues, drop them in the comments below. Thank you.